How are you doing, Kyle?
Mom, we're all freezing.
I'm doing fine. I'm deep in the
Don't
throes
lie.
of deep in the
Don't
throes
lie.
of WTF right now.
So, it looks like we're not getting our power back on. So Lindsay got their power back on. Lindsay's my sister-in-law. So we're trying to hurry to beat, the sun is setting. We don't want to be driving around in this dark. So we are trying to quickly get everything packed up so that we can get over to Lindsay's house. Yes, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Y'all are not gonna believe this. The kids are loaded. I'm packing a suitcase by lantern light. And Lindsay just called and their power went out again.
Okay, let's just drive over. How about this? Since we're on the car, let's drive to my parents' house.
Okay, we can't get a hold of Kyle's parents. We're gonna drive over there and check on them. I have an idea. Okay, change of plans. We're gonna go see if Kyle's parents are okay, very carefully. If Lindsay's lights have come back on, we're gonna go over there. If they haven't, we're just gonna come back here. I'm trying to get a mask for us. Of course, I don't see any mask for you, Kyle. You have one in the car, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me just get, it's just hard trying to find one that'll fit the girls, fit Libby. 1, 2, and I'll just say 3, 4. Sophie can wear an adult one. Okay.
Alright, good deal.
Yeah, let's go.
Assuming my parents are okay with without power.
All right, you guys. So over there at the high school, they like everybody.
Oh, school meals this morning.
Oh, they're giving out meals because people don't have, you know, power or school, and
They don't always
and
get
also
the
people
free-
are using the Wi-Fi because they've got electricity at the school. This doesn't. None of this has power. Emergency lights. It looks like. No, they have power. They're just closed. And the people. So those are just emergency lights?
Yeah, physical plant here.
Oh,
Maybe
okay.
there's construction lights. Or, yeah,
Sure, yeah.
emergency lights. Generator lights.
They do. They have power. It's frustrating seeing like neighborhoods right next to ours with power. Like I want them to have power too, but I'm like,
An hour 2, yeah.
yeah,
that's the
2,
point.
yeah.
But like the 1 hour right now, like 7 to 8 or whatever that they're about to have, they just give us the power.
Can we have a power for an hour? Because now it's been how long?
I don't, like it's all begrudged them. It's just the
No, yeah.
transmitters, transmission.
41? 41 hours and no power.
Nothing else to do but drive. I guess.
Okay, so there was literally a long line at McDonald's.
Maybe
So we were
everyone's
like,
doing
let's
same
get the
thing.
kids McDonald's.
Maybe. Yeah, look, there's nobody here waiting. They're not open.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Everyone's.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, the line's all the way.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, the line.
Wow.
The line.
That is the best.
It's wrapped around the building and
Should we
it's
just go tell
closed.
everyone? But then I guess the next people will just get bummed out. Wow. We should have done this first, I guess. We should have gone down to
Okay.
you know, we should have got a clue after the first 3 or 4
Went
people.
really
It was really
quick.
fast.
Yeah. Well, here, do you want? You can't go out that way, honey.
Oh, we can't?
No, you gotta go out this way, because otherwise you have to go right.
Alright, guys.
They probably have power
Okay.
because the Time Wise is open.
What, guys? Like
Oh,
literally.
they have power because the time was open. For
But,
sure.
Yeah, McDonald's has power that is closed. That's fine, but like it just they wish they had a sign on their thing.
Should
Look
we
at the
write
line.
one? Should we write one?
Well, let's just go
Just
this
put a
way.
sign on the order.
So this is Whataburger.
Well, I know. So, but like, I'm not gonna wait 4 hours
Wow.
for food. Sorry.
That's cray cray. People are desperate. Not desperate, like they're delicious. I didn't mean it like that, Whataburger, but. Just utter darkness. And then the one emergency light. Let's just all go huddle around it.
Beautiful Nubian man. Gorgeous specimen of what God.
So dark. Look at all that ice on our road. What the?
Yeah, just in the dark. Forgotten people.
Literally, still no power. And look at all these people's cars on. Everybody's sitting in their cars. This is so sad.
But suddenly,
Look at all these cars going.
Power all around us too.
Yeah.
And like, by the way, not even that cold. It's 32. This is like well within the range of like being able to produce and deliver power.
And we, with no power still after how long? 41 hours, Kyle?
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
Hey, what?
Can someone just wake me up and tell me I'm on the bus in 4th grade? And just like listen to music and then talk to
So we're back in the house. Kyle, what is that movie? Jurassic Park. Oh, we're back in the car.
Wait, so Dad, what's the short form?
You didn't even know what you were quoting.
So, quick summary.
Quick summary.
Quick summary. No food. No idea how Kyle's parents are doing. I did find a Laffy Taffy, so that was good news. I'm making queso.
What the joke he did?
I don't know. This. I'm literally making a jar of queso because we are running out of food that hasn't spoiled that is I can cook on the stove. So I'm making some of this. I mean, it's probably delicious, but pathetic. Alright guys, so the queso ended up being spicy. So now we have peanut butter sandwiches, leftover Mardi Gras cake, chips. There's 2 kinds of chips, by the way, kiddos.
I know, I saw.
And then green salsa.
And then we got a variety of like pepperonis, and peanut butter sandwiches.
You know, Kyle, this
I
lantern.
got strawberry, apples.
Oh yeah, the strawberries. Yeah. This lantern, Kyle, is an excellent light source. Surprisingly good for on camera for lighting.
Oh yeah, like a professional.
My hands are icy. All right, is everybody okay? Sophia.
My lips hurt so much. I can't eat this.
Oh,
Why are your lips hurting?
they're so chapped. Let me get you some chapstick.
And I'm gonna sleep in your bed and Jack gonna sleep right there in his own bed alone
Okay.
with the lantern really staying on because he doesn't be there.
Okay.
Oh, that's a
sweet.
smart idea.
That's sweet.
And what about Audrey and Grayson and Sophie?
We're still together, she said.
Audrey.
Where?
What about Audrey and Grayson and Sophie?
They're sleeping and so with Sophie.
Oh.
So she told us the first time.
Yummy, 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 yum, 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 yum.
How you kids doing?
Terrible.
Terrible. Terrible. How are you doing, Kyle?
Mom, we're all freezing.
I'm doing fine. I'm deep in the
Don't
throes
lie.
of deep in the
Don't
throes
lie.
of WTF right now. Just wondering.
We don't, it doesn't even feel.
I literally, you know what's funny? I feel like it really is like before times. You know, you like
Yeah.
have this moment where like, what was it like on Sunday? We
I don't even
power,
We
remember.
can do whatever
I had
we
a
want.
job,
What are you
you
gonna
know,
do?
we had
Take our
school.
iPads?
We had things to do, and like now I feel like we're like one step above cave people. Like
It is,
This is
like-
existential. We're just like, okay, make sure we're fed. Make
I
sure
mean,
there's
it is
warm.
honest to God 40 degrees in this house, if that.
Like we're not in like danger of dying or anything, but like we're in pure survival mode. We're like
It's
eat,
freezing cold.
food,
We're wearing
sleep.
like thermals and like I'm wearing boots still because I'm so cold. This fire doesn't help with these big ceilings, which are real pretty, but don't help with heat issues. Oh man.
Please, just tell me.
And then like it's painful to go to sleep in this kind of cold. So Sunday when the power went off, we woke up freezing cold. And then we had to sleep last night in the freezing cold. And I just didn't want to go to sleep in this at night. That's why we were trying to go to Lindsay's, but then their power went back off.
Your parents have power.
My parents had power, lost power, have power again. Well, we've had none. When's our turn, Kyle?
I guess they clearly just, you know, I wish they would just tell us. That's all I'm saying. If they would just come out and just be like, yep, we're not going to give you power for 18 more hours, just suck it up and deal.
Yeah, at least we
I could suck it up
know.
and deal. Like,
Yeah.
I could do it, maybe even with a happy heart, not at this point. It's too late. But if they had said, way back at like 6 a.m. on Monday, like, hey, sorry.
It's going to be 3 days,
We're going
y'all.
to turn in on Thursday at 8 a.m. for y'all. And
Well, I
we'll
could have cooked a lot of the
Because
food.
then, first off, then I would complain more viciously. I'd be like, no, I need 2 hours in between. Come on.
Yeah.
Like, at least let me
Well,
heat
by
my
the way,
house
y'all,
up
we
by
were
4
we were
kids.
supposed to have that. Like, I don't want you to think we're like trying to be greedy in a natural disaster. No, like they've chosen to not give us power. People have power around
Well,
us.
I mean, and not to like, again, not to begrudge anybody, but like we were driving past people and their houses and they have their Christmas lights still on. First off,
Why? It's February.
okay, but second off, they have their Christmas lights on.
Well,
and
we were sitting
and
there
they're literally
freezing.
saying on the radio, everywhere. The most important thing you can do if you have power is conserve your power. Turn everything
They're telling
off.
everyone to please just sit in the dark in one
Every
room
watt-
with the lights to
every
help
watt that you
give power to people like us.
Give power to us.
Who? What's it been now, Kyle? 42 hours
43 hours,
43?
42 hours, whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
of no
We're
power
gonna be well into 50s before we
and
hit
freezing
something.
temperatures.
And then we just even just people who going by where their house lights are on, like their front porch lights are on. I'm like, that's power that I could use right now. I could use that front porch light to heat my house.
Yeah, and like he said, they've asked people to not do that.
So at the end of the day, there's also like a little, and so like I'm also like paranoid that like, you know, they're gonna bring it on to us like how long are they gonna bring it on for? Oh, 45 minutes and.
But at this point, we take it.
Well, I would, but I mean, that's.
That's
like,
pathetic, though.
it's just so. It's not. You know, we always joke about like equity. We're like, man, it is like.
The queso was hot,
Yeah.
but I'm surprised that it didn't even affect me.
Oh, good.
Do you want more?
She's got it all. She can have as much as she wants.
Mom, it was really hot, but I
What?
just drank the tap.
Your lips are chapped? Where's that chapstick?
What?
All right. We got Jack all snuggled in, and Elizabeth's gonna sleep with us tonight. So, with this luck, it's so cold that it's like vaguely painful. How did I lose a house shoe? Like, how do you even do that? Wait, what? Okay, and on that mystery, I'm gonna go to bed. So, good night, guys.